Today, I woke up to do some early morning work on my laptop, emails, messages, the routine stuff. Morning, sir. Yes. Good morning. Today, I'll be helping out in the kitchen as well. So, we're going to make some chapati with eggs. Chapati is a popular East African food made from flour. It's very similar to pancakes, except it's made from something more like bread dough. I was charged with cracking all the eggs into this bowl. This is the highest number of eggs I've ever cracked. I believe around more than 50. Should I turn this off? Yeah. I wash your hands there. Then you can go to the. That's what you see. The rolling. Yeah. Should I just fold it and put it in there? So? How do I do it? You can do it. No. See. I'm actually recording. Yeah. Really good. It's really yummy. I can't eat now. Today I was actually fasting, so I didn't get the chance to taste my own food. That's sad, but I'll make up for it at lunch. So after cooking, since I wasn't eating, I decided to do some shots. I'm actually starting to like playing basketball, but I really need a lot of practice. Class 1. What's stopping you? Learn about the different challenges or things that are stopping us from doing the things we truly want to do.
So like let's say that you have stuff that's stopping you from doing some good in the world. And the question is like what can we, like all of us, do to help you resolve what's stopping you?
I think there's always a way to do something.
Yeah, but this is like not good enough for me. Like I want to know what can I do to help you do what you want to do.
So I think you should believe that there is a way to do it and then chase it.
I like don't understand.
Like the person who has something stopping them to do something.
Yeah.
You should believe that there is a way.
Well, that's correct, but my question is like, if you have something that's stopping you, what can everyone else do to help resolve what's stopping you?
But I think she said it, believe in her. Like, I think that actually does a lot.
No, I think okay, fine. Yeah.
Or maybe not. Maybe.
What I understood was that she said like the person who is doing stuff should believe they can do stuff.
Yeah. And then if you believe in her, it will make her believe in herself.
Okay. Can I get?
Is that true? You don't want to put words in your mouth.
Okay, that's not what I said. But I also agree with
I figured.
Yeah, let's go.
You can have like accountability partners that kind of like remind you of what you're supposed to do.
Yeah.
That can really help a lot. And you could also have like they say, your network is your
No,
network.
I understand this, but like my question is more like, sorry, your name again?
Nina.
No, that's Nina, but you? Oh, Edmund. Okay, sorry, I forgot.
Yeah.
So you said that like what's stopping you is that like you're not really sure what you would do, right? So like, what can I do to help you resolve what you would want to do?
Maybe like if I have like an explained person who have seen what I've been doing, maybe like if they could come and like talk to me and be like, okay, so maybe offer like maybe you think this is something they could like try out maybe.
So who do you think in your life has been like observing you like that?
Arun.
Who?
Arun.
Oh, Arun?
Yeah.
So why don't you just walk up to Arun and ask him for advice?
Have you?
Yeah, I've tried it a couple of times, but I've not as clear as I should.
Okay, so can you do some prep for this meeting?
Please, I don't know who Aaron is.
He's the man that runs this school, or founded this school.
Oh, okay. After this class, we were supposed to have matrix with George, but one of the two other groups mixed up the classes and they swapped. So we're left without a class to attend. You know who you are. I'm talking to you guys at Nexus.
3 hours straight. So that drive is push to like but I don't think it's much feel like excessive. I mean, I could be wrong, but I don't think it's excessive.
We ended up having class 2 matrix and then class 3 causal inferences after lunch.
Not right to become a plantain. This one. Something positive about Nigeria.
I also like to say thanks to all the Ghanaians in this
All the Ghanaians.
All the Ghanaians. All the
With the
Ghanaians.
S.
That Ghanaian.
During evening meta, we shared our experiences at camp. Here's what I had to say.
I have a very long list, but I think all my thank you messages will be in the letters. I really want to say a huge thank you to the organizers, the instructors, and the participants. Every moment of this camp has been a block of memory that is going to be in my hard drive. I don't know whether I have a hard drive or not for a very long time, and I look forward to maybe even coming for a next board as a volunteer or something. I've enjoyed every bit of it, and Kigali is really beautiful. Thank you so much.
Also, everyone had an envelope for anyone to write a personal note or letter to. I wrote a couple of letters and slid them in. You could only take your letter when you be leaving.
5.
In the morning.
My flight is
Jeremy, let's go. This is the ice cold, Michelle Parker, white coat. This one for the good girls, them good girls, take majesty. Styling, wilding, living been the same. Got drugs on me, shut up, and I never stop up with it. So hot damn, and I'm all in, and I'm
Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs singing. My mirror, my soul, the chill, it's never I can't explain. I know Saint Peter would call my name.
He was big and strong, and his eyes are flaming gold. Terror and with fear, but the most of things, he was such a lovely dear. Preacher, Bible like a preacher.
Your time to shine, come with them lighting up for the people are raising their expectations. Go and feel this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I'm feeling. Take the way, believe it. You can turn it on, you can turn it on, hey, hey. Tamina, Sangarila, it's time for Africa. Tamina, hey, hey, waka, waka, hey.